45-year-old Watertown man Ryan Borgwardt is in custody and will make his initial court appearance in Green Lake County Court at 2 p.m. You'll remember Borgwardt is accused of faking his own death by ditching a kayak out on Big Green Lake, dumping his phone in the water, then fleeing the country in August. Today, deputies say he flew back to the U.S. and turned himself in to Green Lake County officials yesterday. The sheriff would not say what country Borgwardt was in, only that the department is glad he's home and that it was his wife and children that compelled him to come back.
On December 10th, Ryan arrived on U.S. soil. He was then booked into the correctional facility and is awaiting his initial court appearance. And one of my press conferences, I said, could be a really good Christmas.
Now, the sheriff says Borgwardt could face restitution for the cost of the search efforts, but wouldn't say how much money or what other charges he may face. Coming up at 4, we will share what happens when Borgwardt makes his initial appearance in court this afternoon.